So in AI this week, things just went from crazy to absolutely unreal. Because Nvidia just introduced what might be the closest thing to a real-life Star Wars droid, and it's the Blue Robot. And if you thought AI-powered robotics was something years away, yeah, you might want to rethink that. Now, for those of you who don't know, Nvidia has been making moves in robotics for a while, but this is different. Blue is essentially a humanoid robot powered by Nvidia's Newton physics engine, developed in collaboration with Disney and Google DeepMind, and it's being trained using the Isaac robotics platform, which means this thing isn't just learning, it's evolving. And the wildest part? Blue is being designed to interact with humans naturally, making robotic assistance not just a factory floor thing, but something we might see in real-world applications sooner than we expected. But wait, it doesn't stop there. Because Nvidia also revealed Isaac Groot N1, and I don't think people understand how big of a deal this actually is. This is a next-gen robotics foundation model designed to enhance robotic decision-making and dexterity in ways that were previously just impractical. It's built to process multimodal data, meaning it learns from vision, touch, and even simulations all at the same time. Now, why is that important? Because one of the biggest challenges with robotics has always been getting these systems to generalize their knowledge. Like, if you train a robot to stack boxes in one environment, it struggles to do the same in another. But with Groot N1, that limitation is disappearing. Nvidia is basically saying, yeah, we're going to make AI robots that can adapt to anything. And if you still think humanoid robots are just sci-fi, then you haven't been paying attention to what's happening in the AI space right now. Speaking of humanoid robots, Boston Dynamics just dropped some absolutely mind-blowing updates for Atlas, and it completely changes the game. The new version of Atlas is no longer hydraulically powered, it's fully electric. And you might be thinking, okay, cool, what's the big deal? Well, the big deal is that an electric Atlas means it's way more efficient, quieter, and easier to maintain, making it far more viable for real-world deployment. The original Atlas was already impressive, but this new version, it moves differently. It's more precise. It has better balance. And what really got people talking was the teaser they dropped, showing Atlas handling objects with an insane level of dexterity. You're looking at a future where these robots aren't just pulling off cool stunts for YouTube videos. They're stepping into industrial and even everyday applications. And if you think AI development is slowing down, think again, because Mistral just released Mistral 3.1. And let me tell you, Mistral 3.1 is the latest entry in the open source AI race, and it's making waves. With 24 billion parameters, it's outperforming models like GPT-4o Mini, while remaining lightweight enough to run on an RTX 4090. This means fast, high-quality text and image processing without needing a massive data center. The model's 128K token context window makes it ideal for in-depth analysis and extended conversations, bringing serious competition to proprietary AI systems. And speaking of AI assistants leveling up, Claude just got a huge upgrade. But that's not even the biggest software upgrade we got, because Anthropic just pulled off something huge with Claude Search. Now, for those of you wondering what the deal is, Claude Search is essentially Anthropic's answer to AI-powered search, giving its AI real-time web access with citations. No more outdated responses. This feature allows Claude to pull fresh, verified information from the internet. It's currently available to paid US users, making it a direct competitor to ChatGPT's web browsing capabilities. The implications? AI assistants are shifting from static knowledge bases to real-time research tools. And that's a game changer for professionals relying on AI for decision-making. And of course, we have to talk about Google Canvas, because this might be one of the biggest shifts in AI creativity we've seen in a long time. Think of it as a fusion of writing, coding, and design, all backed by Gemini AI. Whether you're co-authoring a report, generating Python code with real-time previews, or even building 3D worlds, Canvas is a powerhouse for creators and developers alike. It's available globally to Gemini subscribers, with mobile access for on-the-go editing. And with features like AI-assisted game prototyping and algorithm visualization, this could become a go-to tool for professionals and students alike. So yeah, if anyone thought AI was slowing down, Nvidia, Boston Dynamics, Mistral, Anthropic, and Google just made it very clear. We're accelerating faster than ever. And the craziest part, this is just the beginning. So subscribe and stay tuned for more.